What's going on, everybody? My name is Cylus Sandoval, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do your very own fade cut in the confines of your own home. So for step one, what we're going to do is we're going to dampen our hair just so it's laying straight and laying in the direction that it naturally goes, so it's a lot more manageable when we start cutting. So for the next step, for step two, we're going to grab our wall clipper and we're going to attach to the guard of our choice to start our fade. For me, I'm going to be using the half guard because my hair is a bit shorter on top. We're going to really use the shortest guard we have to accentuate the fade more. If you have more texture on top of your head or longer hair, you can use a 2 guard or a 3 guard, whatever guard you choose to make sure you get the fade that you want.
To start, begin by cutting sections 1 and 2. The next step is to cut section 4, the top of the head. But because my hair is already at my desired length, I'm going to skip this step.
Make sure when we are cutting our hair, we're seeing both sides of our head to make sure that when we start our fade, it's lined up evenly, so we have a very cohesive fade that runs from the sides to the back. So now that we've finished that last step where we cut sections 1 and 2 from the sides of the head to the back, what we're going to do now for our following step is attach the next biggest guard and begin fading our hair up to the top. And remember, we're still using that upward rocking motion to fade the hair. Alright, so once we feel like one side's done, let's go ahead and use the same technique on the other side. We're working through those lines, using those guards sequentially up to the top, and we're blending it all in. Remember, we're using that upward rocking motion to fade out those lines. Details are important when it comes to the fade haircut.
Next, you want to touch up the lines on your neckline and around the ears. Since I used a half guard for sections 1 and 2, my lines are already faded out.
Okay, now that we've blended out those lines around the whole head, the final step is to add some product and finish it up with some styling.